Hello, dear children. Your teacher Shalini Khanna is back with the new topic Operations on Rational Numbers. In our last video, we understood what are rational numbers and how to work on that. Our next topic is Operations on Rational Numbers. It means we will focus on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's take the first topic, addition, and let's do it on number line first. If we take the question 7 by 3 plus minus 5 by 3. Now, one thing you have to understand, first you have to open the brackets. If I will open the brackets, it will give me 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3, because we have learned in the chapter integers that plus and minus becomes minus. Now, I have made a number line here. Let's mark it with 1, 3 as the one component. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3 and 7 by 3. Here it will be negative, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 7 by 3. Now, if we talk about 7 by 3, from 0 we will move to 7 by 3. And it is written here minus 5 by 3. So, if it is negative, if it is minus, we will move to the left side. If it is plus, we will move to the right side. So now from here you will move 5 steps back. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we reached 2 by 3. So the answer will be 2 by 3. We can do the addition only on the number line. Plus we can do it, solve only the like rational numbers which are having the same denominator. If they are unlike, first we have to take the LCM, change them into like and then solve. Now this question you will do yourself in the notebook. Minus 7 by 5 plus 5 by 8. If it is plus, so from negative side you will move to the positive side, to the right side. Then comes addition of fractions, rational numbers, normal, when we are having the same denominator. If we have the same denominator, simple as we were doing in the fractions, 7 and 7 LCM is 7, minus 4 plus 3, answer is minus 1 by 7. As you were checking in the fractions also, if the answer is in the improper one, you have to change it into the mixed one. But here we are having only proper rational number, so no need to change it anywhere. If I take minus 7 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3, first we will open the bracket. That is the rule of BODMAS also. Hope you all know. Minus 7 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Again the same process of fractions. What we used to do in fractions, take the LCM. 5 and 3 LCM will be 15. Then the same formula, LCM divided by denominator multiplied by numerator. It will give you minus 21. 15 divided by 3, 5 2s are 10. So it will be minus 10. Minus 21 and minus 10. If you remember integers, both are negative and we will add. So it will give minus 31 upon 15. Now children, tell me, minus 31 by 15 is a proper rational number or the improper? It is improper. So we change it into the mixed one. Now that will give me 15 to the 30, 1 by 15, and the negative sign remains same. I hope you understood the addition on the rational numbers. Next we have एडिटिव इन्वर्स. एडिटिव इन्वर्स का मतलब होता है If the number is positive, it will be changed into negative. If it is negative, it will be changed into positive. If I am having here minus 6 by 11, suppose, the additive inverse of this will be 6 by 11. If I am having minus 5 by 7, the answer will be 5 by 7. If I am having 2 by 3, the answer will be minus 2 by 3. Now the subtraction. In subtraction, same rule, LCM divided by denominator multiplied by numerator. Before that, we have to change it into the improper fraction. Very good. So this will become 5 by 3 and this will become 14 by 5. I hope after this you are able to solve. So I am not solving, you will do yourself. Here when you have to open the bracket, so again the rule of integers we will use 2 by 7 plus 5 by 6. And then the way of solving is totally same. Got it, guys? Okay. Next comes multiply. In multiply also, as we were doing in the fractions, simply you will see if we can cut any numerator or denominator. No, we can't do in this question. Now you have to use the rule of integers. If one is negative and one is positive, the answer will be negative. So answer will be minus 6 upon 35. And if we are doing minus both negative, if we are taking both negative, minus minus becomes plus. So 9 5s are 45 and 8 7s are 56. Here also we are not having anything common. But this will become positive because these both are negative. Negative negative becomes positive. Then comes division. Again same. Division is also same. Division is sign of division is changed into multiply and the reciprocal of this. Then again you will solve in the same way as we were doing in the multiply. Here also doesn't matter whether you are having the sign of negative in the numerator or in the denominator. It's the same. So this minus will be cut by minus. माइनस अगर ऊपर होता तो भी इससे कट हो जाता, नीचे है तो भी इससे कट हो गया है. इसको हम कट कर देंगे. 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 4 by 5 will be your answer. Sorry, I am really sorry. It will be 6 by minus 5 into 3 upon minus 2. Yeah, I forgot to do the reciprocal, which you have to do. Okay, so minus will be cut by minus. 3 3s are 9 will be the answer. Upon 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. They all are same. So this was your addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. Now these are some of the questions which you have to do in your assignment. I hope they are quite clear. And the exercise in 9.2 from the NCERT books. Right. So this is your next assignment. Do watch the video and do these questions in your notebook. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.